What's up, guys? This is David here. It's been a long time since I last made a video. I am at 100 subscribers. That's freaking amazing. Right now I'm thinking about doing some type of giveaway, but I'll get back to you guys about that soon. So for some people, the Wi-Fi adapter, it was not like when they turned off the searching for it. Some people were still getting lag spikes even though they had good internet connection, and so I found another way. Okay, there's another solution, or a possible solution at least. So what you basically are going to do is just basically just change the channel on your router. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need some type of whatever router you have. Make sure you go to like the login, router login. Like for me, it's Netgear, so mine is routerlogin.net, whatever. I'm pretty sure it's probably the same thing for other ones, but whatever. Anyways, okay, so this is what I get here, and you're gonna need to go to the Play Store and download this Netgear Wi-Fi Analytics. Okay, this really alright, guys. So you're gonna get to Netgear Wi-Fi Analytics. Okay, you're gonna download that, right? And so basically, I'm just gonna show you real quick what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, right. So basically, when you get the app and you have it downloaded, make sure you connect to your connection, your Wi-Fi connection first, and then you're gonna go to this one right here. Okay, and this is gonna give you the clarity of basically like the performance of that's like your performance on the Wi-Fi. So if like it says the channel and how many people are connected to that channel at 7. So obviously it's the more people there are connected to that network channel, the worse the clarity. Okay, so right, so basically what I did was I went to this app and I was on one that was I think it was like around good or average. And so I went down my list and I found one that it was only like there was only one person connected to it, and so I went to that one channel, and basically like this, like for me, you go to wireless, and I use the 5 gigahertz frequency, so it'll say channel, what channel you want to run at. And it's usually like recommended to have it at high, like from 149 to 161. But the one of the channels that was like basically only had one person on there, it was 40. So it gave me a warning, like say, hey, it's recommended to always get higher, but it's fine. It's not gonna do anything. So I put that, and I applied my settings, my my router reset, and it'll like on your app, it's gonna say the current channel here. So you're gonna know when you're there, and that should really fix it, dude. I mean that helped me a lot, and I hope it fixes your problem. If it does, give a like and subscribe. Thanks. Hey.